Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you that you can customize Siri's accent and voice type in your iPhone. First of all, you have to go to the settings. Scroll down a little bit and find Siri and search options. Click on that. Then you can see here the language is in English and Siri voice is American voice 4. Click on Siri voice and then you can choose here for the accent.
Hi, I'm Siri.
You can
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Australian, British.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
In American, you have
Hi, I'm
voice type
Siri.
for Siri.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
You can
Hi,
listen to
I'm
each
Siri.
one of them.
Choose the voice you'd like.
Hi,
And then
I'm Siri.
choose
Choose the voice you'd like
the
me to
voice
Hi,
type that
I'm
is
Siri.
preferable
Choose the
for
voice
you.
you'd like me to use.
So for
Hi,
this, I'm
I'm
going
Siri.
to choose the
Choose the
voice
voice
too.
you'd like me to use.
And then you're done. So that's how you customize Siri's accent and voice type in your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye.